Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 5.4 question number 1, 2 and 3. What is the measure of a right angle? We know that the measure of a right angle is 90 degree. We know that this is 90 degree. We need to know this one, that it is a 90 degree. What is the measure of a straight angle? A straight angle is 180 degree. 180 degree. Say true or false. Question number 2. The measure of an acute angle is less than 90 degree. That is true. It is true. The measure of an obtuse angle is less than 90 degree. This is false because it is greater than 90 degree. It is false. Question number C. The measure of a reflex angle is greater than 180 degree. That is true. The measure of one complete revolution is 360 degree. That is also true. That is also true. Now if measure of angle A is 53 degree and measure of angle B is 35 degree, then measure of angle A is greater than angle B, right? Angle A is 53 degree and measure of angle B is 35 degree, then measure of angle A is greater than measure of angle B. That is true. Write down the measure of some acute angles and some obtuse angles, right? Write down the measure of some acute angles. Write down the measure of some acute angle. Acute angle means less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree. We are giving some example like 30 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree, 60 degree, etc. Right. These are the measures of acute angles. Some obtuse angle. Obtuse angles means, what is the meaning of obtuse angle? Obtuse angle greater than 90 degree. That is greater than 90 but less than 180. Right. Greater than 90 is 95 or 100. We can say it as 100 degree, 105, 110, 120 degree, 150 degree, 160 degree, 170 degree, but less than 180 degree. Give at least 2 examples of each. This is the solution of question number 1, 2 and 3 of exercise 5.4.